today is a very special day, and just because it's so special that it's snowing outside and we are in April. I hope this is gonna stop soon. It's not that I don't enjoy it, but for what I wanted to do today, this is slightly dangerous if I do it. So I really need this snow, rain and so on to stop. Let's see, because this day is special just because of something new. We'll see. Only 3 kilometers missing to a shelter. I'm just soaked. It doesn't stop snowing. My base layers are soaked. My jacket is soaked. Pants are soaked. Everything. My shoes are soaked. That's the special things of the day. Okay, so this is recorded 1 week after what you're seeing right now, and the drone takeoff. Okay, so you saw that the drone takeoff. Okay, I had a good flight. The first flight was good. Mine with me. This is the cache, the file which was on the phone, which got basically streamed on the phone. After the hike, I went to the computer, I put on the camera, I plugged in the camera, imported the shots, and then, you know, I put in the drone and poured the shot, or at least I thought so, because I formatted the SD card just after. Yep. So basically, I kind of lost all the shots during the hike that you are seeing right now. The only things I could recover is what got streamed on the phone or what I uploaded on Instagram. So I'm gonna put that in the video. Just know it's not all the shots, and it's much less quality than what the drone was actually recording. But on that hike that I'm doing right now, and that's certainly the video that's coming, you know, I think maybe a week after, like that's usually when I manage to do it. So this video that I'm recording right now, I verified, and I'm gonna make sure that before I format that I have the file on the computer. And additionally to this first fail, I did another one. On this first flight that you just saw, that just finished, I kind of wanted to bring the drone in the forest with me while walking. So the drone was flying next to me, and then I see there is branches, so I pull, and I forgot that I'm next to the drone, and the drone crashed. There. And crashed on the ground. The only thing that broke was propellers. 2 propeller broke, half propellers. But I did not have extra propellers. Though I still tried to fly after, and it worked perfectly. Like, I'm amazed on how this drone is keeping stable even if you have broken propellers. Like, you have 2 broken propellers, okay?